Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I'm going to show you what involved to take off the engine mounts for Mercedes CLK R172. And I'm going to show you how I did reach the engine mounts, okay? Because cannot reach it on the top. So watch the video, enjoy watching, and push the like button please. This side here next to the air filter, the engine mount cannot go out. And next to the manifold, you see engine mount cannot go out. So I took off the undercar covers, two covers, and the exhaust and the other exhaust too. So two sensor, to reach the sensor I took off the plate, little plate for the sensor to the one protect the plugs from the heat of the exhaust. Two bolts number 13 for the exhaust. These two bolts for the engine mount, one on top, one underneath, and this one the plate for the heat for the cables for plugs, and the other one, every engine mount has metal cover for the heat. I took off the metal cover to reach the engine mount bolts. So this one here in Australia we drive on the right, so this one the right side, driver side. I left up the engine a little bit, not too much, because lifting the engine too much it will be very dangerous. Never lift up the engine too much. Overlifting will cause the car to fall down from the hoist. Be careful. Safety first. This is the old engine mount. So this side here, not the driver side, this one passenger side, it's more easy when take off the exhaust. This is the new one. Please don't forget, push the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I see you in the next video. Have a good day and good night. Good luck.